Welcome to the Sixth Sense Foundation.
The oven will be pressurized during flight, and should we have a loss of cabin pressure, 4 oxygen masks will automatically drop from the compartment above your seat. Immediately pull down on the mask until that plastic tubing is fully extended to start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, secure it with the elastic band, and breathe normally. The mask may be adjusted by pulling on the tabs on either side of the mask. Please adjust your mask before assisting a child or another passenger, and although oxygen is flowing, that bag may not inflate. Federal aviation regulations require passenger compliance with crew member instructions, fasten seatbelt signs, all other lighted information signs, and posted placards. Smoking is not permitted on this aircraft, including the lavatories. Federal law prohibits any tampering with, disabling, or destroying a lavatory smoke detector.
Cloud hop, eat good like a king should. Cloud hop, eat good like a king should. Cloud hop, eat good like a king should. I travel half the planet, bet you crackers wish you could. No smoking on this flight, I guess I'll be alright. About to catch me a red eye, looks like I hit the pipe. Cloud hop, eat good like a king should. I travel half the planet, bet you crackers wish you could.
Yeah, even I can't believe it. We're stepping into the game like we're receiving. Dive across the middle, make a catch, call a first down. Global domination, group stay, make a touchdown.
Daytime, hold my hand, nighttime, she grab the wood. Hardcore general, I let you bitches know. You didn't hear me here, I'll say it real slow. Cloud hop, eat good like a king.
Stunning them on a level that someone consider scary. Dairy adjustment from baby to necessary. Momentarily got crushed, it couldn't bear us. Longevity is a must, you can't compare us.
Cloud hop, eat good like a king should. Cloud hop, eat good like a king should. Cloud hop, eat good like a king should. I travel half the planet, bet you crackers wish you could.
Cloud hop, eat good like a king should. Cloud hop, eat good like a king should. Cloud hop, eat good like a king should. I travel half the planet, bet you crackers wish you could.
Run around that planet, wish a motherfucker would. Tell me that it can't be done, I say ooh. Look the other way, float through the TSA. Safeties.com, I'm Neil Armstrong.
Been a long way, big city from a hometown. Represent the A for my people, bring the house down. Mama can't believe when I tell her how we do it now. Records getting dealt online, international.
Anywhere I go, I pack my own bong. Flight suit weightless, cockpit is Teflon. All around the world, I sing the same song. Cloud hop, eat good, like a king should.
Don't wanna be a rock star, that's not my mission. I wanna be more like a rock solar system. How about a galaxy? Try not to be mad at me. Fly around the money, make a planet, now we gotta.
Cloud hop, eat good like a king should. Cloud hop, eat good like a king should. Cloud hop, eat good like a king should. I travel half the planet, bet you crackers wish you could. Cloud hop, eat good like a king should. Cloud hop, eat good like a king should. Cloud hop, eat good like a king should. I travel around the planet, bet you niggas wish you could.
Cloud hop, eat good like a king should. Cloud hop, eat good like a king should. Cloud hop, eat good like a king should. I travel around the planet, bet you crackers wish you could. Cloud hop, eat good like a king should. Cloud hop, eat good like a king should. Cloud hop, eat good like a king should. I travel around the planet, bet you crackers wish you could.
Cloud hop, cloud hop, cloud hop.
I travel half the planet, bet you crackers wish you could.
Cloud hop, cloud hop, cloud hop.
I travel around the planet, bet you niggas wish you could.
Cloud hop.
Ladies and gentlemen, we sure would appreciate your assistance in returning on cabin for landing. If you would please return those tray tables and seat backs to their full upright and lock position. Double check, make sure that seatbelt's securely fastened. It's now time to turn off all electronic devices and restow those along with any items that you may